beli pibaro ni priang subhai pitch kene tuk kubor jengi upet ngor cable news. Hashwa bingine kemi ki kubor ke babnia na kejanmiat na kaliang PCN ngine kemi shwa ya kimat bukongsan juga kubor menta ketayo. Menjor kekenhun menteri ban penlong official language ketien kasi bat garo ha Meghalaya. Onekran bagi sarkar pedang halor kekendon cispa hektar banti doyong bat donjik tu bachna surak polen napolo shaniu shilong. Pulam kejengekran ke Green Tech Foundation bat ke director ke tenak jengokai perthai. On beteng ucaman yang kejeng syatngan. Kesorkar kan serai ke election Garo Hills Autonomous District Council hadian ke delimitation. IT no LD u MLA barem u Esmatur Mominen haki pulit ke nongpo hadian kejeng pedri narilom Garo. Kejengkran pendam ke Kong Eilang ke penbitar u Kennedy hadu pada peniap yaka ong ba Vivek Sim. Penkut no de kejeng ipu ipiang yaka syat suk mensiam arhajar arpun riau. Syihajar praspa shpaungut kinong syat kelahir sekelumpung waking. Kekenhun menteri kebelai kendo aha kesingipalai jung ketayo kala syamikarai ban penlong no kaktian khasi bat kaktian Garo kum kiktian sarkar ni official language rengkat bat kaktian English. Menteri rangba kejela ula pensyairu bak sarkar kala dep syamikarai ban omdan kanu kejengtai ha kadulan nong lompong deng kenang ban pene agamariang. Bat kejing temu jangka touch group bantai ke hotel kedai ha orchid yam ha kadul nong lompong deng. Bat ula kentu yu chairman ke Green Tech Foundation ban sangya no ekene kejing eki da ke basya atngan bat ke sarkar ke sengokya ya ke jengkot jengkya ajeng Ha kejing lang jangka kenhun menteri ke belalong ha ka kanre trek uyayong arajar arpun rio. Kesarkar jela kala menjur ban penlong ya kaktian khasi bat kaktian Garo kum ki official language rengkat bat kaktian English. Kene karai kelawan lengba kejing pediang ya ke Meghalaya Official Languages Ordinance arajar arpun rio. Kemerdekaan kebenaran rakyat kejing kelah kur kompeniat ya ki office sarkar bat kikam haki yang darbar tauan kejela. Habakran ni kinong patai kubor hadian kejingelang jong kenhun menteri menteri rangba ukonrat kongkal sangmau lapen pau bakene garai kan play kilat ki batamai kam tam ki samla kejela ki bakwa penekun ya ki kam sarkar ban kentiu kurukom trekam borok kowe. Ula pentip lu bakene ke ordinance ke batamai ke lapen damno ya kaan ke berem ke belatip kum ga Meghalaya State Language Act arhajar san kenang ban pen kubor pura ya ki ketien tenrai. Nalor kani ke sarkar kelatmu ban penkelaru ya ke Meghalaya State Legislature Continuance of English Language Act ka kandai sepa prapo kenang bagi dekat yang dorbar tauan kinyo eklat ban keren bat banyatainya pura ha ketien khasi la negaro ha ki yang dorbar tauan klem kan ugono kejingwit. Menteri rangba ulaban bagane karai kan ailat ru ban penlong ya ki eksemen sarkar kebidan kam ha ki ketien ki bala menjur kata ka khasi ne ke Garo lat no na ketien pareng. Wala kini kikam kin shimpor ban penurlong ban banu menteri rangba ul pensyai bagi sarkar kan sesedang no igijing penbit penbiang ya gerukom trekam ha gerukom penyat ko office kejing tungkam ki brio ki babit babiang bat kejing penkre ya ki rule ki batikena. Kawai ni gitong ki bakrau tam jogane kejing penlong ya ka khasi bat Garo kum ki ketian official language kalong ban penklan ya kejing dawa jeng jelan na kebenta ban penrong ya kini ketian ha ka 8th schedule jong gariti sensyari. Menteri rangba ula penkut da keboong bakane kesenjam ke balasyem ha ke jela kalong ko kubor ke baklan cek sarkar pedeng bat ke yang dorbar tauan keri ke parlimen baka Meghalaya kalalong ke babit ban yo ke jing itu ke bapura ha ke 8th schedule.
I'm very happy and very pleased to inform our citizens of the state that today the cabinet has made I should say historic and a very important decision which will impact the overall functioning as well as opportunities that will open up especially for the youth of our state and also help in promoting our languages. Today the cabinet has decided that the Meghalaya Official Languages Ordinance 2026 was passed and the Meghalaya State Language Act 2005 was repealed. Under the new Meghalaya Official Languages Ordinance 2026, the main point is that from now on apart from English, Khasi and Garo language will also become official language of the state. With this very important and landmark decision, this will facilitate the process of allowing Khasi and Garo language to be used in most of the government communications and also in the due course of time. And when I say due course, I mean very, very shortly. Necessary amendments will be made to relevant acts, namely the Meghalaya State Legislature Continuance of English Language Act 1980. Once amended, will also enable our legislatures to speak in Khasi and Garo and debate in Khasi and Garo language apart from English, even during the assembly sessions. This decision will also pave the way for different important examinations also to be held apart from English in our own local languages, which is Garo and Khasi. This will, of course, not happen, everything will not happen immediately. The process will take some time. Certain decisions will be much more easier to implement immediately. Certain decisions will require logistical setups to be created, manpower to be employed, and different infrastructures to be created, rules to be created. But as I said, the decision today will allow all of these things to fall into place. This also is being done primarily because the resolution to include the Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule was taken by the Assembly. And our government felt very strongly that while we are demanding for 8th schedule, it is important that in our state itself, we must also take necessary steps to make both Khasi and Garo official, so that a stronger message can be sent to Government of India and the Parliament, and further pave the way for us to be able to expect that both Khasi and Garo language will be also included in the 8th schedule. So this is also one important step towards achieving that particular goal.
Kakenun Menteri Jong Gejala Meghalaya hapok kejing penyak Menteri Rangba Konrad Kongkal Sangma haga jingelang kebelalong haga kandar trek wiayong ar hajar ar pun rio. Kalasya Megarai ni kebentak Sor Shillong de keba menjur benseng ya ke Greater Shillong Waste Management Agency keba ensependrong kerteng Komka Society. Kani kesenjam kelong mat penyahat at penderti agar kom lum bat penyat ikinyut Sor Shillong kebanang hek banang bun brio kat banang mi kisni. Habakran ni kinong patay kubor o Menteri Rangba ula pensyai bahai kubor keba mensyua kakam lum nyut Shillong kalong kebala penbenta perenggi tenat boper. Ula kedau baka Cantonment Board ke Municipal Board bat kiwe-kiwe kijaka ke bahap syabar ke Municipal ke bahap apok ke 6th schedule kidon hapok ke jekmi jong ke District Council bat kibuan kibor sensyar. Kani kejing EPR kibor sensyar kelawan ra ke jing duna ke komnya trelang bat ke jing berhenti kakam kabala kata ke jing kuat jong kesor. Namar kata ke sorkar kelarai ban penlong ya kene ke agency kenang ban la ban penyat renti ya baroki kamlum nyot apok ke Greater Shillong Planning Area ke bahaya kumba arspa prapu-pra poinsan square kilometer. Menteri Rangba ula ban rap ru bak sorkar kelayo ikijing ajing mut ke District Council kamtam na ke KHADC. Bala pensyai ru ikijing keli halor ke benta bak District Council kandon hapok kene ke agency.
And as I said, there's a strong need to have some kind of an agency that will be able to coordinate and improve the overall efficiency of the garbage collection and management. And as I said, if you look at the overall size, there is a lot of difference in the collections that is taking place, and a huge scope for overall improvement. What is important in this is that number one, consultation has been done with different localities, and they've given their response. And the majority of the localities have responded positively. We have also taken comments from district councils, especially Khasi Hills District Council and other departments. They've raised certain queries about how district council will be involved and not involved, and we have clarified to the district councils on that matter. But what is important about this agency is that it is not a mandatory service that you will need to avail. It is an agency that will be created, but the final decision whether to use the services of this agency or not will lie with the respective localities. And as and when the localities desire that this agency provide the services to them, only then will the particular locality be serviced through this particular agency. So it's not mandatory. It is not intruding into any area or any jurisdiction of any other authority. It is purely a service-oriented agency, which will be purely based on voluntary demand and request of the localities, and only based on that will we move ahead with providing the services in that particular locality.
Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma hakasing palay jong katayo ula pedang ya kejingwan ra ka sarkar pedang ya ka Women's Reservation Bill bat kemit linti ba Kejala kan yo bon ngot ki MP bat uli thoru bag sarkar ka danjing temu ban chnano ya ka surok Folen Napolo shado shan New Shillong Township. Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma ula penpau bu pedang subhai ka an thamai balawra da sarkar pedang kata ka Women's Reservation Bill balawra ka dorbar bekerpang jong yang dorbar parlimen baru ula penpau ka jeng lenti ban yo Khambon Kishuki MP hadian ka jeng penbet thamai ki constituency bat ka sarkar India bat ka delimitation committee kan sakmi igini ki benta halor ka Women's Reservation Bill Conrad Kongkal Sangma udoong bagani ka senjam ka Kejala ka pedang subha bagani ka jingdawa ka belas lembha kamat ka belas ateng laslam bat kani ka dei ka kam ka baladei ban le nadu menu barhapan ai buram yo Menteri Rangba ado kari nama kesenjam ka bulashim ulang bagani ka bel ka wengno igi jingduna ka jingdon kinong mi kamat kentai bar ula kentu ya baro kiseng san berthai baro kiseng badan nak emlang salang bakin kersyani kini ka jingpen kala na ka benta ka bahaka miat jong Kejala bat kari baro kawai ulang bagani ka bel ka wengi igi jingduna ka jingdon kinong mi kamat kentai bat ka jingpen trekam kini ka bel kan yat rengkat ba ka jingpen bet thamai ki constituency bat kini ka kambaro kadai ka bahab banyat jai ba.
This has been a long pending demand, a long pending issue, and this is something that should have been done a long time back. But we must give credit to Honorable Prime Minister for this bold step and the bold decision that he has taken. There will always be critics, there will always be people who will argue in different ways. But if you look at the larger section of society and the larger impact that it will have on democratic representation, which, as we have seen, whether it's Meghalaya state or even in the parliament, that the representation of women is not as at the level that it should be. This will be a very, very important democratic reform, and will allow representation of women at the top level to be able to take decisions which will help overall the society and women, especially at large. And it's, as I said, it's a very positive decision. We as a government and as a political party, the National People's Party, we completely support this decision. We are very, very happy with this decision. And at every level, whatever is required, we will support it. And at the same time, I urge that all political parties, all organizations across society must support a positive reform like this, as it will be in the larger interest of the state and the country as a whole.
Hakabede bagajing dawa kinong ti daw yong karilom jantia ba ka mining policy kadibaniha ba kadukom long kijaka jongathan ukonrat kongkal sangma uloong ba ka sarkar jela kelekran ba ka sarkar pedeng berkerpat ban penkelai ke kendon basis pa hektar ulapan syai ba mensyua hakapor ba buik ke kendon basis pa hektar hakajaka ba niasat bat persyang ban penkelai kini kike kila syem ba kalong kebadan kam ban pelat syua na kejing syakang ban sedang syua ki kam ti daw yong bat yo katukan iki license bat kumtai kila jam syaprang bat layo iki license mentang ke sarkar kila syemkia bat dia keren bat ke sarkar pedeng bat penkelano ke kendon basis pa hektar bat kidon ya kejing kermen ban yo ke jubab kabas ngau tenat.
Yeah, basically we are moving with Government of India. We are asking Government of India to amend that particular part. As I mentioned earlier to you that for Government of India, it's not so simple in the sense that when they make a law, it's a law for the country. So it's not always possible for them to say, well, this is a law, but this clause is for Meghalaya, this clause is for. They did it for the sixth schedule, but it's not possible when they make all the laws. So therefore, otherwise every state will demand. So that's the reason why at that point in time when the 100 hectares condition came up, rather than arguing and trying to change those aspects, we felt that it was important to get through and at least start the process of mining and getting some licenses through. We went ahead and we got it. Now our second phase and step is to exactly achieve what you mentioned. I am hopeful, I'm very hopeful that we will get a positive response. But as you understand, it requires a lot of homework and a lot of lobbying at the grassroots level, at the Government of India level, and meeting all the different officials, meeting the minister, meeting honorable Prime Minister. So we are doing our homework. We are on it, but it is taking time, as I said, because it is not a simple decision. Government of India, once they entertain one state, then you'll see other states also coming in and asking special provisions for themselves also. So it's not always possible for them to think. So, but we are still hopeful, as I said, that it will be done. Yeah, so basically, there is plus and there is minus. I'm not a mining engineer, so I cannot comment on all the aspects. But yeah, basically, looking at things, everything has got a plus, everything has got a minus. As you said, an open cast mine will open up the entire mine, and if it rains, then the entire flow will be there, water will flow. So all those aspects are there. That's the reason why there is a mining plan. That's why there are competent authorities and agencies at the Government of India level. So they check and they give the approvals, and therefore, as of now, we have to go with that. And yes, we could argue in multiple ways regarding the pros and cons, even not at a national level, even at international level. There have been large discussions on the benefits and the negative side of open cast and tunnel mining. So all of these discussions are happening, but as I said, everything's got pros and cons. But as of now, because the regulations require us to move through the authorities at central government, those are the mining plans that they have approved. And as of now, we'll have to go ahead with those plans.
Umentri rangba ke jela Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula pentip ke sarkar kadang ni kejing temu benchna ke surok 4 lane na dok polo berpeniasa ba New Shillong Township ba kejing ekran kalaya cakamat ba kitrai jaka ba kiwe be dan bentalang hakani ke kam balik mi lenti besan ke sarkar kan sayo nok ban sedang benchna ke surok 4 lane na polo shadok New Shillong Township.
But yeah, one of the major ones is the 4 lane, which will take place from the CRPF camp in Polo, just after the bridge, and go through some of the forest areas and even the Milim Forest Reserve areas, and connect to Belfont, and then from Belfont all the way to Mopat, and then all the way to Secretariat. So we do expect that. We have had multiple levels of discussion at multiple agency level as well as individual levels. Whether it's with the the individuals who own land there, or whether it's with the Hima Milim, or whether it is even with the police, the school there that is there, the in Golf Links as a school run by the police department. So all different agencies and individuals and stakeholders, multiple rounds of discussion have taken place. We are have almost closed the discussions with almost everyone. There are one or two that are still left, but not major challenges. we have more or less come to some kind of an understanding. We just have to finalize the final details of it. So that will be the major connection. And as I said, that will be a 4 lane. It won't be 2 lane, it'll be a 4 lane. So we do expect that that would really help in the overall connectivity to the new secretariat and to the new Shillong area.
Haga singi balang jaga tayo katanat jengok kai pertai gejala kalalu mi kejing yalang bat kinong yalam ka Green Tech Foundation. Banyak keren hal ke project haga dolen nong lumpong deng. Ndai kini kejing yalang kam shim lalong ke besaiso ke bapenlong yu chairman jangka Green Tech Foundation ban penbena bandang beteng ya kejing syat tengan Hamadan Malki. Ka jinglong jingman ka kot ka khia jong niu nong yalam kala hairstad bat kejing syat tengan ju kala kenjo syaka shitayo tam. Haga katsan terik wiayong arajar arpun rio. Katanat jengok kai pertai gejala kelakot keren haga jingelang bagi nong elam ke Green Tech Foundation banyak keren telur kamat ke bedai bat ke project haga dolen nong lumpong deng ndai kini ke jingelang kam shimlalong ke besaiso ke bapenlong yu chairman ke Green Tech Foundation ban penbena bandang beteng ya ke jing syat tengan Hamadan Malki haba keren kini ke sini uba H ban seudor nong lang ubri chairman ke Green Tech Foundation lupen pau ke jing sokya da ke bakenok ke sarkar ketemu bende ya ke hok trairi aki mender Ubak ban seudor ulah maham tengek bakal ngakam kala kelalong kamat jegajat benrio. Ulah ong balara ke sorkar ka bakala ban cimi kesenjam ke badai. Kani ke kendram kala ban penklam buat ke sekretariat hi barok kawai. Secretary General keseng ubak ritri lingdo uleh tu bawa lah keladon ke jengkot nekeran nekar liang ke tenak jengok kai pertai. Mereka macam nadan kanu ke jengmi ke besaiso. Ke Green Tech Foundation kadawa beri ban pendam sindon ya ke project balai soi ban senai ke luxury resort and spa halumpong deng. Namar ke jingma ke belak banwan ha ke mariang. Namar ke jingma 4 weng ke sorkar ya ke projek ke Green Tech Foundation kelarai ban beteng ya ke jing syatkan kelembok por. Bat penjur ke jing ki kat kum kariti sencari.
Ini syufa ban ong yepi ba ke jing ye kon na do isi ban kong ngibu ya ke jing doai. Da kalong stakum kumnoro kani kam da isu ka mat jong ka Green Tech marwai jong pi kilong kami kilong kupa ki baya kalau di kemat jong kacai penreo ladang ihapan penkhalam ladang ihapan yale da kanu kanoro ihapan sim da kalenti ke bacai-cai da kalenti ke balong kanu monra kanu ka jing pen kelmar senong ke jing puri kurang ngen menjual kang ke jing doai pada kerpat ya pi baro ba Nyundai ban wastu kajing pitar kamdai ke bakai dia kerpat dia barok lah kita badan hangi ni kiba pet kelong saudang kari kasih semua ngelong kiba jajai kino yalam ikanwan ki sang bapar ngelong kiba jajai kata kari jing kerpat red kujongi kum kino yalam jong kerentak ingin saya perkat kai kalenti ke bangun sim kai kalenti kawa ngin rai ngin nom yalong kluit kli ngin nom yalong bitar ritang kawai ngin nom pendam ha kali ke sorkar ka pamut bandi ya kitrai muluk hauminda MTM kum mengilarai bat kani ke jingile kanum dai jong kerentak marwai mula da pipakla pen kelam sendon Mbak Sekretariat Koalisi.
Hagawai pat kaliang ke director juga tenak jengok kai pertai ikong BL Pakenten. Ila bandra ke jing pensai haba keren bikinong pertai kubor balabur ke jing keli baan pendam ya ke ai. Haba amdan project ai ke berang ya di lumpong deng. Ikong Pakenten ila keren chai ba lumpong deng gerang sa kum bakalong ba sarkar kamdan kanu ke jing temu bantai ki yeng nedukan ki bane akene ke dolen nong. Ila batai bakatong jong sarkar kalong ban penek pensa ke mariang bat ban ratang yak experiential tourism lani kerukom let jengok kai ke bailat ke ban mat ke mariang hakadur tenrai ka director kala kentu kinong ilam jong Green Tech Foundation ban sangeno ya ke jing shong syatkan namar ke jinglong jingman ko ke khia ke balaman syakta bat ila kular ba ke sarkar kalong ke bakloi ban selok bat ban priang ke jing ai jing mod ban ya dai ke mariang hadu mentah ke jing ki gerang ya cekamat namar ke jing per kerukom sengutu hapreng ke Green Tech Foundation kepada waban pendam ya kena ke projek bagi sarkar ke boong ba om dan projek AA ke badan ya
test because we feel that their mandate and what they want is also what we want, is the preservation, the upliftment, and to keep the nature intact over there for people to enjoy nature. So what they want is also what we want. No permanent structure there, and to give prominent attention to the nature in Lumpong Deng. Their main focus is the Lumpong Deng, and in no uncertain terms have we told them that there will be no permanent construction in Lumpong Deng, and we will continue. We are open to any dialogue, discussion, consultation with them. We requested them that if they feel they still have to go ahead with the opposing the project, the Lompong Deng, that is on them. But we have requested that at least to withdraw the hunger strike, because it involves a human life. It is a humanitarian issue, and at least to withdraw the hunger strike first. All other things we can continue to talk. There is no harm in talking. There is no harm for them to also raise their objection, provided that no bodily harm should come to any of their members. That is the most concerning issue for us. They want us to withdraw any project there in Lumpong Deng. But the question of withdrawing projects in Lumpong Deng does not arise because there is no project in Lumpong Deng.
Hadirin kejing beteng saat dengan kumbak kendai singilenter ki doktor hagajan miat juga kanyo trik yayong arajar arpun rio kilara no chairman ke Green Tech Foundation uba H ban siudor nonglang sa Civil Hospital Shillong. Kani kalong hadirin bagi doktor kilalap bakamet jong ba ban siudor kamong syubat saat dengan. Uba ban siudor ulah sedang ya kani kejing saat dengan kembo por na duka kendai trik yayong Hamadan Malki ban penpawe kejing persya alor ke project jong katna jong okai pertai kabay day bat kedulan nong Lumpong Deng. Habakran kipat ba ki belalum Hamadan Malki uba ban siudor ulong bagalong bapang not ban i para nong yalam kilong keme balong kapa bakin jauh mat namar jong u. Ula pensyai ba kejing yap jong u kanom de kejing job. Mar kata ula karpat kipat ba bakin lang bad u sya Civil Hospital lamar marwai un omlet. Ula kentur kipat ba bakin kular bandang wan biang syakane kejaka bad kat ba udang Pak Sumar kipat ba kidi ban kenyo ek secretariat bad kembe ban pendam kapat kene ke sorkar. Haswa bandrong syaka emergency center jong Civil Hospital ubak ban sudor ula kentu ginong kersan bakit am kuslai na kebenta jong u dai bikin kuslai hi na kebenta yam bat Lumpong Deng ula maham balada kemla ban yo obyang yang Lumpong Deng kan de kejingile ke barem jong kejat ben riau dai lada ki job long try biang yak yam bat Lumpong Deng ubak ban sudor ula pen paur ubak nong yalam ula lekat ke bala daga basya atangan kendai sini dari padba bagi nong yalam ke Green Tech Foundation kemla asyu bani EU undang syong atangan Hamadan Malki ula tentu ya baro ban penjora kejing duai ban lek ke badan kam bat ban pendap ke Hamadan Malki ban em kejing yaki
Wat kuslai na menta junga, kuslai na menta kumiyam bat Lumpong Deng. Ladang yimla, ban yok biang, yau Lumpong Deng, kandai kejingale kebaram jong kejaj benril. Ladang ijob, long try biang yok kumiyam bat Lumpong Deng. Kandai sini laksa, kumenung ilam, Malale kat bala dia kai ke bangala. Dari bang perkat iki pajba buat peranong elam jong rentak. Simsa su yang atedot dengan songtai. Latrai pim kwa baka jingyap jonga kandai ke jubab iya gini ki Mender gat menderi pos sekretariat kuat baka jing job ke jongi hi kade ke juga. Penjor ke jing duai berle ya ke badan kam pendap ya ke badan malki. Kulai sebab.
Secretary General ke Green Tech Foundation Ritre Lengdo oleh penbena ban beteng ya kejing hi syatangan ha malki ha gaba mau hit ladion sedang ya kejing hi syatangan nado kene kesengi kata ka nyau terik jong yayong arajar arpun reyong. Secretary General oleh penpau kejing sokya ka bajur lor kejing hiar ka koi ka kya jong chairman hadin bula syatangan ko makandai sengi ban persya kejing tumuk sarkar ban snagi resort Lompong Deng. Itu bawalau chairman uladan hospital dari 4 kot ya kejing hi syatangan jo bodun beteng wat na kejaka Sumaru. Ulah kedua bagani kejing hi kan beteng hadok bagi sarkar kan wan bakan jubab shika foundation bagi laweng bat penduk nak sendan ya ka soskular. Ka certificate handing over batkan lease agreement kawai day bat Lompong Deng kabelong gebenta jengka luxury resort and spa. Halo kejing penpau menteri rangba ban penmi ya ka white paper uba ritre ulah kentho Pau Menteri Rangba ulang ubriau uba syukular ke ikai hendrai menjudan jing tikna ban penurlong ya ke jingkular. Ula kedauru bawa la ketenat jenguk akai pertai ke lepa eksiti ban pensyai bagi sarkar ketemu ban amsnai kini kudu jing teh Lompong Deng dan ban ke Green Tech Foundation kerang kenok bagani kadai kakam kaba amdan nongrim bat ke belong biet. Namar lada amdan jing temu pensyai ke ikai balai bat ke sarkar ke tekular bat ke soy ke jing IY kaba hadu andropo snam bat ke Omnium Hotels Private Limited. Mula penpau ke sarkar kadai banuan cekemat ban pensyai ke jing sisha kam tam namar kani ka kam desu tang ka kam jong ke Green Tech Foundation ndrai kla di kamat jong ke emlang salang ke jelai berkoi. Halor ke jing yakan ke Green Tech Foundation kala pensyai bagi kloy ban syong ha kami dekran ada dan ke jing khot ke bati kenal leng ba ke jing tho kenang panyo ikirai ne ke bentai ke bit ke biang jong ke emlang salang.
Idan ban ong tangkum ni. Baka kot kakhia kamla kata I chairman di jongi menghapen kitno sejaka Sumar. Kadai ban bakli nadong hadong da ka sarkar jela. Larai idon ha kanu ke jaka Sumaru ka sarkar jela Meghalaya kadi ban sim ya ka jing bakli ban pet ya ki jing don kam jongi nadong hadong. Di kerai kejong kejibi kelong kumni baya kejing song hang ni Hamadan Malki kejongi kanom peja kanom tanda no tang namar bilalik I Chairman Hospital ya kebenta kebakrau bat ngangit bakadai katkum kemon kejong ublei baya ka jing sha jing it ke baklem bu por on beteng no damanga kum uskre jeng kilom kumi kilom kepa ki para samla ki hep ki berit ki udah nakani kapor ken mau lem yangi ha kecing duai ken mau bat pan ublei bunong ai bor yangi bangintang la ban beteng ya kani kejing sya jing it tat hadu ba ka sarkar jela Meghalaya ka kabinet ka basong hangte ya pos sekretariat kan klem no si sendang hi ya dua seru ila omne ha ka meeting ka baginon na kaliang kajibi ba in sim no mai kani kejing sya kan hendrei nganom ailat ya pi bapinang simbi kanina marki dang bon ki kampat mo pihap ya penbet ki official work ki jongi ngatrai ki sothu ya kata kum advisor jongi tinadu menta kesengi kapor kalam hendriu baji arpuai minute kajing sya jing it klem bu por kajong Secretary General ke Green Tech Foundation kelas dang.
Chief Minister, through the Chief Minister, he's a minister of. I will assure you, I will ensure you, but nothing is sure about whatever he says. Yesterday also we had received a letter from the Joint Secretary, Government of Meghalaya, Tourism Department, where they had clarified that there will be no construction on Lumpong Deng Island. But we would like to question and retaliate that clarification. If we have no construction at all, what about the lease deed that you have entered into with Umyam Hotels Private Limited that lasts for about 60 years? It makes no sense. It is absurd. It is stupid that the government would hand over a land without any purpose. The government has to come clear and it has to come clean, because this issue is no longer the issue of Green Tech Foundation, but it is the issue of the community of Meghalaya as a whole.
Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula pensyai bagi sorkar keladap Syemekarai ban omdan keno kejing tei ha Lumpong Deng ban pene agamariang. Kejing temu bantai ke hotel ke bertemu ban bo dekat Touch Group kan long ke jaka kemudian ke Orchid ha Umyam Menta ama pok Lumpong Deng kemudian kejing stuk bakla. Halo kejing syak tengah chairman ke Green Tech Foundation ke belakan jo syak kesengi ke bapra. Menteri Rangba ula kentu yu di bansangi ano ikani kejing ki nama ke sorkar ke snokya ya kakot kakya ajung bagi doktor gidang yai pet ya kejing long jingman kajung walau lekan tat manage hospital. Menteri Rangba ulia tu bagi jingman juga kenhon Touch Group bad ke investment ke bakumba laispa klor tengka kan kentio ya kanam jong kejela kan penkelai kayo kokot jeng ipat ba. Ulaban bagai ke projek kan penlong ya kan ke jaka ke babahata magari bagian penmi kilat aikam aijam. Ulaban rap banalor ki hotel ki behek sarkar kadang tei kumbalai hajar teli ki homestay ban penmentoi ki long yeng bat kumba shi hajar teli ki kali leng ba ke CM Elevate. Ke sarkar ke kularu ban ajing rap ki dukan bam ki seng yarap daladia ni ki self help group bat kumba nyau hajar ngut ki nong tem nong pot leng ba ke jinglut ke basau pau klor tengka ban kentio ka kam jung okai perthai. Menteri Rangba ulakan tu kipat ba banlong ki badan ke jingmut ke bayar ban pediang ki projek Kampen Roy nomor kipat ba ki dawai ki kam nda ki persya pat ki projek. Ulapan kan mau bergejala kan i ke jingkala ke bakrau ke senam arhajar arpunyau anda ke kat lingsun kelas sedang terekam. Berulah kular bagi sarkar ke kloy bani selok bat kipat ba ha kanu ke por.
Large group is coming in, they are bringing investment of over 300 crores that's going to be invested. It is going to be one of the best resorts that is there, if not in the country, the best. In the eastern region, it will be the best. In fact, in the country also, it will be one of the best resorts that we have. All of this will have a huge domino effect where overall livelihood and the overall tourism sector will grow. The brand of Meghalaya will grow. The brand of Shillong will grow. And that's what our whole target is. And what we have to remember is that if you're only putting up Taj Hotel and putting up 5-star, I can understand the concerns. But our strategy is to put up 7, 8, or whatever. We have about 10 projects in line. So 10 5-star hotels are in the project pipeline. But there are 3,000 homestays which are also being constructed and are in the pipeline, which will help more than 3,000 families. There are multiple CM Elevate vehicles for transport that are being given. I think in a matter of 2 to 3 years, we'll have over 1,000 vehicles being run by our local boys and girls. We are supporting different restaurants by giving them CM Elevate schemes. We are supporting different self-help groups to create textile products, handicraft, other products, so that tourism can be promoted. We are developing different activities where, again, government is supporting these activities. Hence, we are promoting tourism from a holistic point of view. One cannot just see one project and comment on the larger scenario by just looking at the one project that's happening. You have to see the overall activities that are happening everywhere. So hence, tourism is important for us. At one end, we talk about the unemployment rate in the state and say, well, what is the government doing to create jobs? Why isn't government doing enough to create jobs? And on the other hand, when we are working towards creating jobs, then others say, well, cancel the MOU. We don't want it. We don't want these 5-star hotels. It can't go like that. One has to understand that, if we have to achieve the goal of creating employment, these are the avenues. And if we were to do only one activity, which is only 5-star hotels, I can understand the apprehension. But the hotel is only one part of the larger goal and the larger activity which we're doing, as I said, including taxis, including homestays, including restaurants, including entrepreneurs, including music. 7,000 artists are supported today to perform for different tourists in different tourist locations. We spend close to 40 crores giving 7,000 artists money every time they perform. These are all happening because tourists are coming in, because there are good hotels, good homestays, and hopefully, as I said, when the airport also is operational, which we expect, as I said, in the year 2027, then we expect there to be a huge boost to the tourism sector. So one has to look at tourism holistically and from the overall strategy, and you cannot just see tourism from one particular activity because that will give you only a very narrow view of things. We have to be broad-minded, we have to think large, we have to think of investments, and we have to look at job creation, and these are the ways in which we can create the job. It's for the people to judge, it's for the people to decide. As I said, when the issue came out, issue was about the Lumpong Deng Island and the destruction of the island. And we have addressed that issue to tell everybody that the construction is actually in the Umiam orchid, where the existing orchid is. So there is no question of destruction of Lumpong Deng. So issue is resolved there. So therefore, your indications could be correct that there is no need for any further concerns because the concerns are addressed. It's not going to be done. Though there is if you want, because the government owns that land and environmentally things are very much within limits. If we want, we can. But even then, realizing that it would destroy the beauty of the location, we took a conscious decision, even before this issue came out, that we will not allow. So therefore, we were aware about this from before only. Maybe what our friend mentioned is right, that maybe at some point in time, the communication misunderstanding was there. But I have clarified now multiple times. So I clarify again, there's no concern regarding different political agenda and all these things. I don't have any.
Usambut Menteri Rangba Kejelau Bak Preston Tensong Habai Keren Bakilal Patai Kubor Haka Kalai Terik Wiayong Arajar Arpuhun Rio Ulong Bagi Jengkang Kaplian Ke Bentakan Ho Kedua Kenhun Ke Besengokya Bani Keren Halal Ke Project Ka 5-star Resort Halumpong Deng Usambut Menteri Rangba Ulong Bagi Sorkar Ke Ploy Bani Keren Bat Barok Gibran Ke Jengsokya Dan Ke Bakedau Bagi Jeng Penbet Yang Kena Kamat Ke Syong Haka Jingat Trelang Haka Dan Ke Kenhun Samla Bat Ke Sorkar Uba Preston Tensong Ula Kentat Yang Jeng Kenok Bagi Ke Project Kan Penjat Ke Mariang Bat Pensyai Bagi Ke Resort Kalau Keberan Kam Tam Dan Kentiau Yang Kekam Jungok Kai Pertai Haka Jela Letuk Bagi Sorkar Kalau Buat Renti Kendon Kom Ke Environment Act Bat Water and Wetland Conservation Act Bat Ketong Kalong Menteri Tenat Yang Jaka Kumbala Sumar Dia Kanan Pelok Om Men Penjat Jaka Usambut Menteri Rangba Ula Kentu Yagi Samla Berkendai Ben Sengau Kuk Bakla Ula Ainuk Sa Bukum Kesurok Folian Shillong Dauki Kabah Kejestuk Bakla Keladon Belalit Dan Persyaru Syekiyang Syari Dari Mentah Kalong Kejingker Kupen Bani Kelit Kawan Kabah Kesorkar Kekot Ekran Ucaman ke Green Tech Foundation Uba H Ban Siudor Nonglang Udang Peteng Pat Kejinyaki Isyak Ngan Hamadan Malki Kebeladap Sansni Pumka Jing Persya Ban Pendep Ikan Ke Project Halumpong Deng
Ngan Batai Kani ke projek kani ke belakang dari Jakarta. Ngam ong yu Lumpong Deng. Ngam ong ya ke 5-star hotel. Kebangi nak kalian jom ke kabinet, nak kalian jom ke group of ministers. Wilayah Syok bah nak ada mission bagi dorkam. Namar ke accommodation andi ha ke jela ke jom tatang sulong. Kadang tuan sibuan ke jitu dah. Kediman ke zoni kuah ke 5-star hotel. Kinang ni susu, kinang don susu. Apa kecelakaan itu, awalnya kita akan dongeng di site, pakai di company, harga bahan sedang yang state of dia akan dekat 5-star hotel, akan dekat juk kerjata, kebat Orchid Hotel pada Kumbalong. In addition dia kata Kumbalai pulai juga, kadai kalau Lumpong Deng, kadai kerjata kalau kabagi Kulong, tik Kumbalong hambok ka, hangni hambok nangkul. Nak rajin nak Kulong wat iwe ide belum kita. Ngin kita iwe ide. Penebang ni ialah adalah bandang thung susu. Bandang pergi tenang, bandang penbahagia. Ke kanun don kanu ke permanent structure. Susu ni nanti. Ngin don kanu permanent structure. Angkai Lumpong Deng. Nampak kami ketika jaka kabalek se gila penolong sisin sistem. Kata kerjaka kabakin enjoy kitoris. Habis yo ya kilo ya kiwa. Habis yo banyak enjoy ya ka greenery. Habis yo ban yo ka cloud. Abang ni kuah ban benek berpesan. Tenang kita warbi kamu don kabangin te in Spain mangiru ni hak maniak katiyo. Bet senengan lebih ka environment act kadai ka bae adu berata. Kani ngila ada simbol na doksido. Ada piong ya ka water conservation act. Kabaan ada piong ya ka piong ka wetland conservation act. Lani ada piong ya ka air pollution. Lani ni ong makanaro ya kaneka water bodies conservation. Kini baru kita report ke kebenaran. Bag ngin na iteran inang penha cucu nang kalon bakal don kumle ko mangalong. Nasuto natin ang concern jom kini kun sama kiba ong bagi persya infrastruktur ngiru ginamka ban ong bandon ka permanent infrastructure. Nilai ko mo in long tip bangile hang airport buat slik kakanu juga but nila au banding susu ya ketika lom nek ketika jaka apa itu mana nilang berhabri mendapat internet kadang bertemu turis kiwan ndai tak berkiwa kan ban shoka yang hotel zakiwa ban ini di jaka gibi tenang kan refresh ka main ingin kai teng kisakalen ko kay bursing ipa lagi di jaka kiba punya pollution free nak kakabelo full greenery na kita ada di kampung na yang jadi peserta kemana kum kecil pun kemauan nak try akapor nilai dia kalau fullin ke first package joka ke Shillong dau kiru kadi ka fullin ka nilai nang ni na po shopee hado ang tay hapo bomblum ke si na try ato akapor ano ikadon ki challenges ke kompini don ke jing so thong pakla ki kun kilek kilek piai lo sai babsa ban pomde babsa ban ti surok ana baka kata ikan ban mental nadep kelong so tengim de takata kapakut kan de surok ko fulin kabile nam ne ngit sa sa tunde ko alias kan nang itu nak kita nak susu ya kita kerja itu nak kerja itian kita jom kan kita jaga juga jelas juga tekumta nak ya kemarin bang keren ya krisis kum hilang air television dan sokan krisis nak pun keren dan besar bayar ketika lumpung dan kalau kira kilong kasuen di seluruh bulan di jualan kasuen juga but nirok di soka nirok penserta but nin pentikena bahkan bulan kado penuh kecing penjual kecing penipra ya kaslau kita hak bege jaga ngin penha susu ngin beautify ngin penitenak akannya ikwa penong tamui kasong na kaliam joki rege jikam joki kapli absorb na rege kwa ban kedua pasokan berberi bani ke hak jisha hak tu kepuan hilang ong bala kibai kendu kini kendu UDC lain dan lagi klaim wan kendu te nganga kerpat bagi jingkang untuk peserta kapli dari kikuat bagi kendu anytime we are ready bagi kendu pas persai susu ya akan engage.
Usambut Menteri Rangba Kejelau bakmi akatanat District Council Affairs ubak Preston Tunsong. Hagas ngiba arjung ketoyo ulang bagi sarkar jela kan sasyamrai ban penlong yak election MDC syaka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Hadian bala pendap ki kam jong ki jing penbet temai ya ki MDC constituency jong kaneka council. Habai keren begilat patai kubor usambut Menteri Rangba Kejelau bak Preston Tunsong ulang bagi sarkar jela kan sasyamrai lanu ban penlong yak election MDC syaka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Hadian bala pendap ki kam jong ki jing penbet temai yak MDC constituency. Bat bala debru ban penmi ya ki jing penmena bat bala tong ya ki delimitation committee kumta ke kamram juga ke komiti ban pendap ke kam bala ban syat haka ban penbet ki constituency. Uba Preston Tunsong luang bahadian beladap ke benta ke yang dorbar kan sapa ulat ke jela ban ajing menjur. Batang hadian bala ajing menjur ulat ke jela ban sala ban pentip lanu an penlong yak election syaka GHADC. Halo ke jing keli lak sarkar kadap ban lek shwa yak special intensive revision SIR. ban penbet temai ki kerteng hak electoral roll. Usumut Menteri Rangba ulah pensyai bakane kam dadai ke kam ke badan kam yang mentah. Namar bak SIR kam hap apa gejengmi cak sarkar jela ndrai kedai ke balik dak election commission keri.
I think recently notification has come out where the delimitation committee was set up, and it is the duty of this committee to complete the task of conducting the delimitation process. And once that is done, then the House will pass it and send to the Honorable Governor for approval. Once that is done, then only we'll be able to tell you when are we going to have the election.
Uba Preston Tensong belong Presiden keseng NPP Meghalaya ulong ba keseng katsa penyeng keltong balikon ik election steng samai na kabentag election MP sa Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. Ulong ba ke MPP kelarai ban penyeng kertong na kabentagan ik election. Ndai umsum na tre benito mano banyakon na ke MPP berulong ba keseng katsa betip yano karai ban penyeng. Ndai kumagalong mentahi ke NPP kadan bunut ki kertong ki babiang. Ndai ki election committee kan sa siyem karai ka bakat dua. Haga bedai bagi jingjiat ukertong na kabentaga Raja Sabha uba Preston Tensong ulong bagi NPP kampat di opdeng ya kanu kanu kejing terba. Na kedang up ya kejing pendapat ba kaban sepenmi di election commission bag office terekam jong speaker dan chairman ke Raja Sabha.
From the party side, we have decided to field the candidate to this by-election to the Lok Sabha from Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. We will let you know. We will let you know. Time will come. The appropriate time will come.
How many are vying for
We
the
have quite a
party
number.
ticket?
Yeah, we have quite a number of them. But let the election committee decide on this.
Nang esa pat ngin mentaki wei pat ki kubor ngan soan pai hadin kini kejing penmana.
We have ensured that no construction will be allowed. And hence, even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction will be allowed in that particular island.
Lakot ika shnong no ngi kwayo sngo bhan ika shnong de lakot kalayat dikila pen sngo hina shnong ki mat jong ki if they keep apprehensions jong ki don hi convey bet yaki ka stand jong ka tourism department manginam don ka construction
te kumalong menta kani ka project kumkilai perkhat kumkilai plan kade ki kaban penmi ya ki kam ki jam jong ki bre jong hi ki bon bha ki jing bha ki bala banwan na kane kawai ka project ki don mentang ne pb ru kayat bet ka tulun bet ka kam ki bon ki local pilaban pet yang to kanungut ki bayo kam to bon ki local hi.
Government has made it clear in the agreement that no structure is going to be allowed in the island.
kanu ka commercial unit ka bawan hang ni ha kajalla kadon kata kendon ka 90% of non managerial posts kan let shaki locals 50% managerial posts ru kan let shaki local. Other than that ka shulang tang kata let us work together and let us promote our state for good things to come in the future for our youths and all other categories.
Namar ba ka ka ba pi ang not ngiru hang ni. Shuaban take up yung ganang project. Hindi ban suto bagla. Habang warra yaki investment. Habang warra yaki bakum kinigi project. Nget yang nga opi kabakaduk ka jimantoy. Kanlong yangi ki konsamla.
So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed. Thank you very much.
UMLA berem ka Rilom Garo US Matur Mominen ubala pedre hadian bagalami kejiya kenat Harilom Garo. Hagala sengi ublay jong katayo ulalit ban pendam no elade hakmat ki pulet ka thanat nongpo ka badan haga distrik Riboy. UMLA berem jong ka Rilom Garo US Matur Mominen ubala pedre elade na kejingjay kenat kelbaja Harilom Garo. Haga kalai terik uyayong arhajar arpun riau ulalit ban IT no elade haga keti jong ki pulet ka thanat nongpo haga distrik Riboy. La ban kedau bahagi benai ke belalet ke jeng kan at ke bajur ke laki harilom garo hadin ke jeng persya iki bam dai ki trai jela ban yakon ek election jaka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Kabel keno bau MLA barem ula dan keti ban keren persya jat ben rio hadu ke jeng ki ke bajur ke belajar hakane kathan. Kani ke jeng kan at ke belalam ru jaka jeng yak brio harilom garo ke jeng khang ke internet ke jeng penjari ke curfew wat hadu ke sarkar jela kelah ban pen kendria anu ke tarik ban penlong ya ke election jaka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Nagani ke jeng kan at uni MLA barem ula pedri eladia nadu gini benai bat relit ban IT no eladia ke bor pulet ke tanat nongpo. Wala nagaliang ki he pulet ka district riboy kempat yeto AA halor ke jengon IT no jong es matur mominen da kabaong baga jeng toket kadang ya cepran. Superintendent ki pulet ke district East Khasi Hills uba Vivek Sim hagas balang jaga tayo ulong bau Kennedy Kongset ula peniap ben ya kakong eilang pawa bakane kadai tang namar ula bitar lab bakala keren persyayu. Superintendent ki pulet ke district East Khasi Hills uba Vivek Sim ula pensyai bakadau tenrai ke belalam Kennedy Kongset ban peniap ya kakong eilang pawa kadai namar ke jing bitar belami ni kenten pendam ki bakakong eilang kelakran persyayu. Kani kejimja ke basngusi kelawan durbiang haka kat santrik uyayong arajar arpuhun rio. Habagi pulet dapat kejing lamu ba Vivek Sim lela mu Kennedy syaka-jaka berjaga kam sniu hanongra lumurbo ban pendep ke crime scene reconstruction. Habi itu benia alor kani kejingja superintendent ki pulet ula kentaj ya kejing subah bu Kennedy ula benan kejing thot ha kebor perkat. Nama rekat kum ka psychological assessment kalau pensisya bulong umasyat baklan bat biang kebor perkat. Kat kum kejing klau Kennedy hakmat ki pulet ula kubur bah ketai ke sengi ula ke kong elang syadian jakowi ke yeng kemudian ke public toilet. Badai hangta bagajing ekran kelandang jur haduk ke kong elang kala keran ki kentian ki balapan bitar bat pendam haduk kata-kata yu. U Kennedy udah tambor bat syok ke kong elang haduk ke klik jengka kana tengku bat ke kendro do bilat ke balapan mi kejing mensau ke bajur ke belalam kejing nyap joka. Syuk-syuk ula pelaru bahadian buri i bakelaklat ula tap ke met joka hapok ke wei ke berni plastik nang ban sup yu ban bread ban buri ya kena kamrunar na kejing i ki brio. Kekenuan Special Investigation Team ke belapan long ya kejing toket ke babenia kelayoru ban kem yu Kennedy ningkong halor kejing subadon beti ha kejing peniap yu hebret kershan bor karmudai. Deling ba kani kejing toket ke babenia halor kejing nyap nung hebret ba kejing ket telami iru ke belapan long yu Kennedy ban pela halor kejing peniap ya kakong eilang pawa. Haka kat santrik ya yong arajar arpun rio rengkat bagajing don kinong pensisya bat ka forensic crime scene unit ki pulit kelayo berpenuan durbiang ya kerukom bagajingja kalaja ka step ke bau Kennedy ula peniti kena iki senjam baro ki ula syem ha ka te kesni ka kenuan special investigation team kadang penkrek menta bentuk ka charge sheet halor kani ka kam kenang ban panok los ki yang syari bat banyo ka jing sisha ke bupura halor kini kam runar baro arteli ki bau Kennedy ula le
for Kennedy Kongset. And in this 8 days, we have done substantial amount of interrogation, and today we have done the reconstruction on his admission to the crime. He has led the police team in the presence of independent witnesses of how he had committed the crime, where he had taken her behind the house to a public toilet and slammed her against one concrete structure and then disposed her body in a sack. So that is the gist of the reconstruction, and the special investigation team will be endeavoring to charge sheet the case as early as possible.
What is the motive?
Motive is though he had befriended her, but he got as per his initial interrogation, he had statement. He said that he got irritated, and in a reaction to the irritation from caused by her, he had actually slapped her. So she was, it seems, teasing him, saying something which he didn't like.
So they both
Rage is the reason.
Kawai ketrok kebakit iki marjot ha kesing ba arjung ketoyo kat ba kadang temu banlet cheshelong kala kemding bat ingkong kensan ke benta ke basya kemat bat kani ke jingja unongnya bat unong buat jong ketrok kilalait ya kano ke jingja ke basngusi. Hag jingjap lo kali ke trok ke bakit gi marjat ke bagadang temu ban kiu shilong kala kemding bat ingkong ni ke benta basakmat aga jingjak belaja hag miet jong ka khatsau trek uyayong arajar arpun rio hag por ko baspo ji ye hag srok ba ajan ka Ganesh mandir hapramer hag liang jong ka asam rio jingtep bagane ke trok ke bala ingkong kensan ke dei ke badan number AS not UAKC kendai sau rio ke bawan ni ketan Guwahati Ndai hamar bapoi kene ke jaka kala kem ding kensan kabala penong yunongnya ban nong buat ban kenti no sabar jong ka kali ban lat na kajingma ni thoru be ka daw jong ka jing kem ding jong ne ka trok ompat la ban tip satya rela antat bakla ban ne ka jing thot ikilan boarding balala ban tem no ekading hadin balawan poi ke board lip ding na asam ha kasing balang jong ka tayo we usamla ulasha pengop bat doe nriu hajar tengka ha kajing sya penbiet ha kawai company lengba kerensan social media kajing syukur ban kering ya kiri upat ba ban ngat aga shrip ban doe nak pisa kalau nang pau perthai hadian ba web samlau langat akan ka apot ha ka baulo doe palat nriu hajar tengka ha kawai company Bajaj Finance Loan Company lengba kerensan social media ha ka Facebook uni samlau balangat akan ka apot udai syambor langsung kli besong basa ha ka snong kadhor ha ka than pathar kema ha ka bada kajing syania ya ka advertisement ke balami ha Facebook ha ka khat elektrik ya yong arajar apun rio kabalakam bagani ke Bajaj Finance Loan Company ke jo airam kita ula pendap ikijingan kambaro naro ke bank account ke pan card berkiwi-kiwi nalor ke number phone jong u leto ru bahagani advertisement ula pan ram silak tengka ha ka bahadin like entai ai dan we brio benabar ke jelau bela phone u bat kambu tre hagani company ha ka ba ula betha ban sio shwa shi hajar arsbasan pho tengka ban play ke savings account ya kaba uni ubriau ubalangat dah kena apot ula sio ban hadian pat ula pandiang sasau hajar tam ban lek insurance ha kaba ya kani ru uni usamla ula sio long baga GP cho ubriau latip kateng kum manoj pal chushuru ula ong ba hadian basang mat nartatien bat subas nio kena ke company hadian balapan biang sah 100,000 sans pat tengka ban lek ke GST hadin kani uni usamla shim sio shu ban ka khatsau trek uyayong lalit bin ujor ha ka thanat apathar kema nakaliang ni usamla ula kerpa di ba bikin husiar ya kum gini gijat company ke bujutrwa airam agiran san social media klam da penting kina bah bagi den em ki company ki bala bancania baru kermen scam bagi pulit kin le kemudian kam mentoket halo kene ke jingja yu
te ha ka si khatlai tarik ngam bakala ha ka si ba kadon gawe company ba te ha ta si nga kum I ba yo ban apply te ngakum apply no ken te la dep apply yang ta la dep ai number phone la dep ai kerteng te kadin kum ba kum tohi kum arkanta la kanta kila call na yanga te kila call te la kila kili yanga ki ong ba pikwa ban simlun te ngong nakwa te kano pikwa ki ong ta te nakaliang jonga ngong gade ba la ai silak na te ki ong to yo baik ki ong ta te dala ong ta kamot pihak ban submit dokumen ki ong dokumen baro don kam Aadhaar don kam ipik don kam pan card pat ka account number te ngala dep submit baro ta te hadin nang ta dep verify lo baro ki ong ni la dep verify ki dokumen jongpi te nang ta ki ong ba ni la dep verify te nakaliang jongpi pihak ban siu ya ka registration ban ka bank saving jongpi fast saving ki ong te ngala dep siu kumba si hajar aspak sanpo kata dia fast payment te nang ta dala dep nang ta ki ong ngala dep verify ya kaneru te sak kawe pidang hab le kata kalong ka insurance saving ki ong ka insurance saving te ndala dep kata pan kata kasyong kumba 100,000 fast pak 10 tengka te kata ru ngala dep te hadin nang ta la dep kata kamut kisaong pihak le saka GST payment for the government ki ong ta te hang ta ngala kan dibunriu no ba ong ba kane ka la de scam nambar ngala sutu ba kumno ubriu ba ilun dawa pisa biang nanga uba simlun te hang ta ki ngasa kan dibunriu no ngasa ong ba kane ka la de scam ngayo na ka Facebook kalong advertisement na Facebook da kasumi be spam tu te ngaku apply no ken banyo banyak keren batau breu ningkong ukol tawe marsin kol ngau tau ukol lejong tau sam nambar tengah sim dala sim wong pihak banyak keren ya brand manager pun sabatai pi ka ba pihak banle wong ta budget finance loans nah kalian jonga ngala IFR ka kharsau terik lai baje ngam try lai baje hapo patakma police station nah kalian ki pulit ki ong ba kani kala de kaba syam bunsin bat kalong ru ko ba hi bantuat ini jajbreu nomor ki ong ba kini jajbreu kunde banajan kide banajangai ong ta te nak kalian jonga kabede batne kam kalalong ka kam kaba sajaman kapor sakapor ngai ba te hangahi merwe ngasnu ba bandong ban penrap ba ki pulit ki haban sim khia bhai kene kam namar ba kene kam kala sajaman kapor sakapor namar kum kene jinja jonga le kalong ka basuk ba bantuat ini jajbreu namar ladon bat kadur jongu ladon bat nambar ban bayok ban yakol berarp saunta tahi go be ka chance ba na matai kulit lada sim khia ya kani ka kam
Ka Khasi Students Union Laban Circle hakasing baar jong tayo kalalik khang khardep ya kawai kejakale anyam kiriunget Muslim kabadan halowa lumparing ya kabal ai kerteng da ka lumparing masjid. Kinong ilam bagi khot jong ka KSU Laban Circle hadian kilawat jong tep ha halor ka jinglong trai jong ni kejaka halowa lumparing. Kila kenok bagi Muslim kila shnabi anya ka masjid akan kejaka klem dayo jong bet na kashnong ni ki bor bdi khmi. Kumta ka KSU kala khang no ekene kejaka le anyam be an jong Muslim bat kala pha mi no ru yo imam ubla sa be an ekene kejaka. Ka KSU kala penpau bagi por ki barem laju ajaka ban shna yeng yo nong ap uba pe kalum jing tep Muslim. Ndrei mentapat kene kejaka kala long ka masjid ke bela shna be an. Kila pentip ru bagador bar shnong lowa lumparing hadian bakal jung ujor na seng kala lit jurep baglarai ban pendo no ekene ka masjid ndrei na kaliang jogine ki rungit Muslim ki basaane kem shimlala balai ai halo kene ka benta KSU kala pentip basyan kasle ban ujor ki bor peniat ban weng sindon ya kene ka jakale anyam Letho bah ki por ki bamanshwa ka bor shnong kala ailat ban shna yeng ban sa tang na ka benta chokidar uba pe kene kalum jing tep jogi Muslim Ndrei kat banang yat kisngi kene kejaka kala long penban kum ke masjid. Kador bar shnong lowa lumparing ru hadian peleo jing ujor ka lajurep barai ban penduk no kene ke masjid. Ujanul Secretary ke KSU Laban Circle Usharing Star Khan letho bagaseng kalahiar kene kejaka hadian peleo jing tep ba kene kejaka kala long kum ka lowa lumparing masjid. Lepen syai bagabor shnong kala ajaka tang na kebenta ban kemi kelum jing tep. Ndrei lalapat balapan kelaban syakane kejaka mani. Yang tahu lihat urub unong pet yakane kejaka ulasa la ndrei benai klaim ke NOC ke babiang. Bagi jing penio NOC ha ubnai rempang ba klaim ke jingbet ke bapaka kala bo ikashnong ha jing ma. Alor kani keseng kala be no yu imam bat kala maham tenge bakane kejaka kamde kejaka ban mani namar bakim dan gikot kisla ki babiang ban penlong jaka mani. Kaseng kala kentur ikador bar shnong ban chimi kisenjam ki beteng bagat muru ban ujor ru di bot penyak distrik ban lei ai halor kani
ki la pendan kam ya kani kajaka ani hapo lor lumparing ban longkum kata ka lumparing masjid jinsya kani kajaka ka menchua ka bor shnong kila ai yakini IT kini kibriu tang ban longkum takajak ban takajaka yakini ban chong tau kerteka ban pet ya kate ko lum jingtap mantai dari hakini kisni nyam ki pelayat UI ba kila penlong yang ani kajaka kum kata kajaka le nyam bat na kaliang jong asnong kila simti bat kila wan ban inspect bat kila lap yang kata bat kila wan pha ban pendam no man kani ka jimtho ka beto lumparing masjid bat hadian jong kata na kaliang jong seng ru mentakasni layo ban wan ban sakhi dala jong hikmat te habang I kani kajaka kalong ba kila penlong yang kani kajaka kum kata kajaka le nyam bat ka sanitation room I ba ketiki dan kitiki jaka ante ki perlat be sati sakani ka dala ka pensi room te ling ba jong ta ti layo ban kran bat western secretary jong kani ka jaka ka ba ki de ben pet ti dia bat ngilalap tu ba udan imam besar kan ni cakap dekat kum ka NOC ke ba kipan dak senong banta jung to imam i ba kipa hu benai Februari dari habang ni layo pan kali uni imam batai ngi ba ulasa lupa menta la andru benai kan ni cakap kita dong ki ba pen khen ki adong jung ka senong bat ki jong ka jing songsuk songsan ya senong ka thau ba nu breu kana bar klem biang ki kot kisla klem da don kita ki NOC klem da don kita ki police verification kin chuan sa kan ni cakap tena kaliang jong ka seng ila sim sinjam bangin be noi u ban kaliang jong ka seng ru ila maham ni ba kani kamdi ke jaka ban mani nomor haduk menta kimla ban ai ngi kita kikot kisla ki babet ki babiang ki ban pen shisha ya kata ba kila don ki jigitho nak snong ka thau man pelong ya kani kum kani ka jaka mani te nakaliang jong ka sengru in se shong biang ba snong ban in ai lat hi snong kan shim ek sinjam ka bade halwar jong kani
Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma hagasing ba arjong katayo ulalu megajingelang ban bishar benia halur kurkom trekam jong hendriu teli kitanat sarkar ban ken mau kejingda prasnem ke sarkar MDA bat kamtam hagajing pen kreak kejala na kebentaban penlong ya ke National Games haga khatsau trek uyayong arajar arpun rio Menteri Rangba Kejala Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula penlong ya kejingelang ban bishar halur kurkom trekam jong ki hendriu teli kitanat sarkar ban ken mau kejingda prasnem ke sarkar MDA kani kejingelang kede ban ken tiuru ikurukom trekam mekinong ba kejing pen kreak ke National Games bat kejing pen biang ya kerukom pen bisa kejela Apakiran ni kilat patai kubor Menteri Rangba ula kentu bandan kejing trilang bat ki shnong baper ban pen khoj ke Shillong Jowai batura haga balai tair alor ke kompania ke waste management bat ke waste water la bishar benia kejing pen kreak bakentop ya kejing tei kata ke infrastructure ki jaka shong jakasa bat kalik kawan na kabenta kinong ilakai Menteri Rangba uli thu beladan kejing pen bet bensang ya ke Center of Excellence fa agar Meghalaya kabala ban play ya kalat ban yo ban kot bat ban kentiru ya ki kam ki bedai bat kayo kakot layo ru ban emir jengmut ban kentiu ya ke jeng siap khajna na ke tenat forest bat ban pen bhai krokom senshar ki klau ki betap ban pen bit pen biang ya ke jeng pedan kami ki mar jong ke MTC nang ban kentiu krokom yat ki kali sarkar Menteri Rangba ula pentip ru bagi sarkar jela kan sedang ya ke jeng wat banyak ke bati kena ha ubnai jemang ban tip ke tenrai ke temai jong jat ben kasi jantia bat garo Sarkar kalatung artli ki komiti ka wain benta kathan khasi jantia ba ka waipat na ka benta ki garo Konrad Kongkal Sangma uli thu ba kani ke jengwat benia kan omdai tang halor ka riti dostur nrai kan kentup ru ya ka DNA mapping ba ka jengwat ya ka jengisno jengka ketien bat ki jat benrio ula benrap ba bandan ke jengtho la ni ka document ka basisha ka ba kentup ya ki jengsisha ni fax ki biyo lengba ka jengshem ka bala ban pen sisha ka history jeng jat benrio Ini kejing tray kan cempor kumba khatra hadu arp sau benai bak sarkar kan tray lang bat kitanat wat benia bat tebet nakari bat nashabari
is as you're aware that we have put up two committees specifically to look into the Khasi Jaintia and one committee to look into the roots of the Garo tribe. So therefore one committee that look into the roots of the Khasi and Jaintia the tribes and one that look into the roots of the Garo tribe and do a detailed research including DNA mapping, including different linguistic linkages, cultural linkages and connect with different researchers to document different aspects of both the Khasi Jaintia tribes and the background and also for the Garo community. And we're doing this because, as I said, we would like to see that more documentation, more research, and more facts are available so that all these documentations which had not been done in the past can be done. So this was again discussed today. We'll be formally launching this particular research program in the month of May, but we did the preliminary study. In fact, the team has started working from February itself. And we will further take this research, which would in fact entail discussions with different institutes at national level, even at international level, and then go into the in-depth analysis of the roots of our different tribes in the state.
Udkhot jong Meghalaya State Planning Board uba Olan Singh Sun ubalongru MLA ke Mawson Ram constituency. Hagasi balang jogatayo ulong baga planning board kale kendo manla kapor ban kemi benia yagi program jogitanat sarkar kamtam ban pentikina begede ban pentreka miki skim hakalenti ke badai Habai keren bagi nong patai kubor, u dekat jong ka Meghalaya State Planning Board, uba Olan Sing Sun. Ulang ba kani ka board apa ka jingalam jong chairman u Abu Tahir Mandal, kalum jingalang ban kami ibnya ek program jong itanat sarkar ban pentikina bagi de ban pentre kami kiski maglenti ka badai, bat ka board ka trekam kum ka kenhuat ka ban ajing mod ka sarkar jella. Ne ka tanat sarkar bakin pet kilat ke batamai ki ba kilat ban le. Haga bedai bagi jing keno ba ka jingdan ka planning board ka long tang ban ajaka ya kiriusan perthai uba Olan Sing Sun ulang melara ka board ka tang ka jakarie jong kiriusan perthai kumta kamlong ka badan jingmut. Hendrai kila syong ya kijingalang bat penwandor ki senjam ki bari ban syem bat ban pet bagi jela bagi tenat baper ki de ban pentre kam ya barok ki skim maglenti ke badai bat ki start ru kladan bentalang ha ka planning board.
Time to time we are calling, we are sitting from time to time under the chairmanship of our A.T. Mandal sir, who is the chairman of the planning board. We have called the meeting twice and we called the different departments to see what are they are doing, what the programs they are taking up, what programs, and we are discussing what are the shortcomings of the program, what are the problems they face while implementing the program projects. So we discuss and so we give suggestions to the government.
Do we need,
What correction, what rectification to be done.
do we need a planning board? The experts are taking decisions, consultants.
We also involve experts, members also are involved in the planning board.
I'm saying the
Yeah.
consultants are appointed.
No, not. The consultant is only engaged by the different implementing department, because board is only an advisory committee or the board to the government.
No, is it only to rehabilitate politicians? Otherwise, there is no meaning. It appears.
Yeah, of course, we are sitting, we are thinking, we are planning what step next to be taken to see that the state is implement, or the different departments is implementing all the scheme in the right direction.
So what are some of the new interventions of the planning board, if you can share please?
Because in planning board is not an implement, we are not implementing any schemes, so we don't have any intervention. Only we can advise to the government or to the department to see some new intervention, whatever necessary we can do it and keep some suggestion.
Hagabedai baga jing daheng kali hasilong uba Olan Sing Sun ulong baga board kelaya keren bat ki pulet baga tenad korbari ke jela ban pendunai ke jing daheng kali hakanong ba silong bat menta ke jing daheng kali kala syubyang habi nujor bat kisan hendro benai ke belalet bat ainuk sa ba mala kapor bulet cha apa silong ka simpor sikenta andre menta kala simpor tangkat san ne arpo minute.
That we have already discussed long time with the police department, with the home department, to see to decongest the traffic snarls in Shillong, in whole city of Shillong. And we can see that today we see that comparatively the traffic congestion was a little bit improved compared to the last 5-6 months before. You see that this road while going to Angeli Petrol Pump, there is a new road which is open now. That has decongested. The bottleneck is removed, and you see that from Shillong, Upper Shillong to Shirpi, the road is now the 2-lane. This road is nearly near completion. So we see that the traffic congestion is really removed. It's improved to a great extent. While going every time when I go from here to Upper Shillong, it takes 1 hour, but now hardly it takes 15-20 minutes. So I see that in this 1 month, I find the difference in the traffic congestion compared to 4-5 months before.
UMLA na kasang UDP uba Olan Sing Sun ula pentep bakajingtay ka Rain Museum hamosan ram kalaya chakmat. Marak senam gabanwan an sa snap pendap no ek project. Ula ang bagani kan kring bhai kinong jung okay perthai bagajing penwandor ek ni kajingtay ka dairu ka baginong wan kai kinyo amat ikajing hap slap hapo jong ka Rain Museum. Uba Olan Sing Sun uletho ban shnaru ya kapul hagi benta jong ka museum baru ula ang bagajing jet ek ni ka jaka kam syam lakta ai ki jakarap namar antay ka jaka ka basuda. Jaga project la pentrai ha kajing lut ke bakot arpu nyok lur tengka.
The tourism initiative in Muslim, as I have already told you a long time before, started 4-5 months before, that the Rain Museum is under construction now, and we are going to see the light of the day maybe after 1 year. And I have another new proposal also for the development of a peach and plant garden. I have discussed with the Chief Minister for the unique project. I want to develop a pitcher plant garden at Lava area, which if you can see now, if you happen to pass through the road from Malaisiong to Lauba, you will see in both sides of the road there are so many wild peaches plant growing in wild forms. So if this can be developed into the peach plant gardens, I think it will be unique area in terms of tourism development. They are suffering. Of course, they are in danger unless we take care. They are in danger unless we take care because of the habitation, because of the wildfire. So I think this picture plant garden will be unique in Meghalaya if we can develop it. I want to see that one day Monsunam should have its own picture plant garden.
Hadirin baka office Deputy Commissioner ke Distrik Ribhoi Abilash Baranwal ulakam baki santli ke darbar shnong ke Than Umyam ki kershan ya ke jingtei ya ke Taj Resort and Spa hagi benta ke daulan nong Lumpong Deng. Nreyak sis ajan pat kinong ilam jukini ki santli ke darbar shnong ki lepenshai ba shimlekran AA ban ai jing kershan ya ke nega project. Kibor jong ke District Tourism Promotion Society lambat kibor ke office Deputy Commissioner ke Distrik Ribhoi. Kilakot ikjing ilang kabakirki abanikaran lo kajing persya ikjing te ke Taj Resort and Spa ha Umyam kam tam benta jong kedulan nong Lumpong Deng. Lawan banishim benta ke kajing ilang de kinong ilam shnong na Than Umyam bagentop ya kamaulan dep umsaw umbir umnyo bat Umyam. Nalor ki officer na Tanat Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board na Tanat jengok kai perthai bat na Tanat Forest. Nagaliang Abilash Baranwal Deputy Commissioner ke Distrik Ribhoi ulieto balakot kerki agani ke jingalang banyatai lo gejing temu jeng sarkar jela bante ke Taj Resort and Spa jan kepung Umyam ya ke bala persya apat agino yalam ke Green Tech Foundation bala kershan ru ke KSU bat keseng VPP ulieto ru balengba ke jingalang nagaliang gino yalam jeng kisan shnong na Umyam ilapan pau bakim dan kano gejing persya halo gejing temu jeng sarkar jela ban kentio ya ke kam jeng okai perthai lingba ke jingtai ya ke resort. Dan kabal kedau bakan omdan ke jingketa ya ke nong Lumpong Deng. Abilash Baranwal ula pentip ru bagi jing ang nuat jing nong shnong kalong pat bagi sarkar jela ke deban pai kamat ban aikam ai jam shwai ki kon samla ne kini shnong bat ki shnong bamarjan kum kalat ban aikam ai jam ya ki samla ne kini than.
We had today called one meeting from District Tourism Promotion Society. We had invited all the stakeholders starting from all the 5 shnongs, Umber, Mollendep, Umyam, etc. And we had also invited MSPCB, MECL, Tourism Officer of course, and Green Tech Foundation, who has been protesting against the project. However, the Green Tech Foundation refused to participate. They did not really come to participate in the meeting. However, all the shnongs were present, and we have explained everything to the shnong. We asked them if they have been we explained everything regarding the project, and they are in support of the same. And we also explained them the different contentious aspects which were regarding construction on Lumpong Deng Island, and we explained them the stance of the government as well as the different aspects of the tender which has been floated by Tourism Department. So the outcome of meeting was quite productive. We were to start with, we were disappointed with with Green Tech's decision to not really come forward for the meeting. However, we had a very productive discussion with the shnongs, and they have expressed support for the project going forward. And they also inquired about the construction part as far as the island is concerned, and we showed them the tender document, as I said, and they went very satisfied knowing that no permanent construction can take place over there, even though the environmental norms of the country allow permanent construction to take place on islands within a particular restriction set. However, the government of Meghalaya, understanding the importance of environment and the environmental concerns of the people, in the tender document itself, they have clearly specified that any construction, so-called construction, or any erection on the Lumpong Deng Island will only be of temporary nature, something which can easily be dismantled, which can easily be removed, and it cannot be of permanent nature. It can only be of some makeshift structures for temporary events, nothing more than that. So that specific information I do not really have. That was not really flagged by any of the shnong also during the meeting. However, the shnongs were requesting for being given preference in livelihood opportunities, and for which we assured them that this is something that we'll facilitate meeting with the tourism department also, so that they can air their concerns, and especially they can place their request to the department for livelihood opportunities. As of now, no opposition from the village. In fact, they were very supportive of the government initiative. However, they just wanted more information on the same, and for that also we have assured them that there would be meetings with the directorate as well. But in principle, they were quite supportive of the initiative, and they are in complete agreement with the government in its vision of developing Umiam as a world-class destination for tourists.
Cisingi hadian bak office Deputy Commissioner ke Distrik Ribhoi Lengbau Abilash Baranwal kilakam bagi santali ki dorbar senong kathan Umiam ki kersha ne ke jingte ya ke Taj Resort hajan ki benta ke dolenong Lumpong Deng. Hakakat witrik uyayong arajar arpun riau kinong ilam jogini ke dorbar senong kilami syakmat ban pensyai bak kamsyana dan ke jing ekran ban ajing kershan halo kene ke project. Laban kedau hang ni bah ke shpo trik uyayong hadian beladap ke jingelang jog District Tourism Promotion Society lambat ki weki tenat terikam sarkar nalor kinong ilam jog santali ke dorbar senong kathan Umiam. Nagaliang Deputy Commissioner ula pentip bagi ke dorbar senong ki menjur ban kershan ni ke project da ke bakam no jing kata asatya ya ke dolenong Lumpong Deng. Hagabayde bagani ke jingkam Deputy Commissioner haka katwi terik uyayong pat kinong ilam jogini ke dorbar senong bakentup uba Jinu Karbo rang ba senong ke Maulendep uba Steven Karkerang rang ba senong ke Umiam uba William Lengdo rang ba senong ke Umnyo uba PJ Korbar rang ba senong ke Umbir. Kilapan pau pat ba bahado mentak kim pat ai karai ban kersha ni ke project komblami ikilat patai kubor. Kilaong ba kim persya iki kampenroy. Hendrai kilaong bagi dai pat bantip lah kene ke project kalong ke bakumno kenang bakum ke dorbar kan la ban pensya sopat ba nok snong la kene ke project kalong ke bakumno la kat penmentoy nekan keta ya kemariang bat ke emlang salang. Kilaong syusyu bakum kinong ilam snong kine simpenta ke jingelang ke belalong hak office Deputy Commissioner. Hendrai kila kerensyai ba kin ampat kersyan tak nanda kili iswa kikot kisla hak bede bagajing temu bente kene ke resort. Kilaong ru bahaduk menta kim padi ojing syai ne kim padi okmi ru ya ke detail project report halor kene ke project ka bakile soi bat kilaong bakim patip hatukan ketaan e empat ya kini kisno kitau bat ya kene ke jaga hak kemariang syusuru kilaong bakat bakim padi ojing syai halor kene ke project kim pat nang bandrai laban kersan ni persyak ya ka Daga bebenrap ru bah ka baydai bagaji ki jaga Green Tech Foundation ka baliat cakamat ka baydai ke jing persyak kene ke project ru kim padia jing tip AA la no tang hiklat patai kubor. Namar hadu gini gisi gidong ilam jeng ni kenhuan kim syamlawan mene kendo ne keren AA halor kene ke benta.
Nakalian ki sausnong ki bangin dan benta. Ombir komnyo Maulendep bat Umiam te ikwa ban pensai ka bede ketika jingmi kanyu si bamenen leng bau disi ka boong persyak ki ni kisan snong ka bede ketika jingte ketika Taj hapo Lumpong Deng. Tina kalian ke jongi ho ngi la yo ke sithi ba pentip ngi bat khot show disi menen gasni. Tina kalian ke jongi hi ngi la ikran sibun ke ba jadi bani ikran hangte tang ka we ga long ba bangi ni dang long thamai ba kenika jing sya khot namar nadu menswa hi 4 juta ka jing sya khot la kalong nakalian ka government la ni department repair Remerin kesan-kesan ngi syakfat ngi oman ya keren. Tina kalian ke jongi hi dang ya keren hi kalong ba ngim pat don ya ki jingtip ki bati kenai ka ba ngir ngi syo ni dang ba ki news ki media ha ka bede ke te ka jinglong jingban nang Lumpong Deng. Te nilai keren syai bat DC menen rekat ba tu ki officer jong tourism kalong ba ngi kwa syai ki details report lani kita ke blueprint ya ke bangin la masuk tu kalong kumno kaman kumno hak bede ketika project mo hangte tina kalian ke jongi hi ngim pat don ban ong bangi support lani ni persya yaki handai ke jinglo jingkwa ke jongi kalong ba ai shwe ngi ke jingtip ke ba khambnya kenang ba mangi ru la man ya puli lani gini pechwa bangin yo man batai ru syakinong snong jong kini gisnong jongi Ti kumban su ong hawa ka bede pada kalian ke jongi kumba ong meneng idang long ke batmai ba nomor 4 ju syak khot si sien ru ka bede ba kenika ke project temenen kalong kensan kendet tinggi 8 puar ru ba ngin dayo syai kita ki kot kisla ki babem ngin sampai ke bangi de menle na kalian ke jongi kom kinok song snong
tinggal ikan hang tu lah dan lot project department nak pollutions ke hoi kelak pensyai Beverly nak pollutions nak tourism nak DC lot pensyai ba kani kadai kawe nak project bahe kaban kentiu bahaya gini kitan jongi tengi ong ya barok badan hang tu betul kata ka development ni welcome impersya tang balong sobha kan provide yang iki kot kisla badan kam khnang ba ngi ru ngi habban le chim ya ka consent jong kinong song snong namar ba ngi kot yang ngi tangam la ba nyala minong song snong baro tingi hablet mengi tang kirong ba snong tingi ong penpoi yang ngi kot kisla ba bangin tip ba kani ka project kalong ka bakumno ya halo kata tinggal layak rai menen layak put menen ba kidai ban ay kikot kisla ki babiang khnang bangi ngila ban late ra sekidar borsnong jongi ki bangin salong te khnang bangi ru ngin sutho khnang bo pai ba jongi ru sutho kai setang itai ba bangi kren menen
hal yang jong kani ka project jong ka touch ka banwan hang ni apo lumpang deng te kaju kasur kembang yong te ngim patip haduk anu ka project ka bakta ya ka memoriang kakta ki imlang salang tengi keren menin hoi kedai ka bangi ong ngim persya tangba halor jong ki kot isla ba phin ailem yangi kum kinong ilam sinong khrang bangin tip ka haduk anu kata ka jingbit jingbiang ba jingbit jingbiang ka memoriang namar ba ubri bro ngidon kam ya ka development tangba kam dei ban ong bangin supediang halase yo kakta ki imlang salang kadi kata ka poin ka bangi keren menen tabalong bangi sngo kendit badami untuk kami ba baru santli ki sinong bagarsan te ide itahi bentangi kersian ya ke development taba nipan kikot isla ka DPR ka blueprint kana bangin tip kan kana bangin ra pa ba namar bentangi pa ba baru hi usaha kadum kalmo te ngidon kam ban pinsai ni keren ba sinong kana kinong sinong ba kinum sa kadum kalmo kan kalau lera kawan kanu kunu project kim dei ban yo kinu sinong kadi kata hi bangi keren mo ne kumno kang poi ba num benyo ladawan kani project rengkat ka development rengkat baru poi ba da ka jingkemen yin pedang ya ka development ke ita hi na yang chunga
Haswa bangini kimi iki khubor ke badangsa ingin penkan mau biang ya kimat bakongsan jangka khubor menta ketayong menjor ke kenhun menteri ban penlong official language ke tin khasi bat garo ha Meghalaya Onekran bagi sarkar pedang halor ke kendon cispa hektar banti doyong badan jithu bachna surak polen napolo shaniu shilong Pulam kejengekran ke Green Tech Foundation bat ke director ke tenak jengokai perthai on beteng ucaman ya kejeng syatngan ke sarkar kan serai ke election Garo Hills Autonomous District Council hadian ke delimitation IT no LD MLA barem US matur mominen haki pulit ke nongpo hadian kejeng pedri narilom Garo Kajingkran pendam ke kong ailang kalau penbitar Kennedy hadu pada peniap yaka ong ba Vivek Sim. Penkut no ada kajing ipu ipiang yaka syat suk mensiam arhajar arpun riau, si hajar praspa shpaungut kinong syat kela hiar sekelumpung waking. Menteri ke sarkar jela balongru MLA ke South Shillong Constituency uba San Borsulai. Haga sisa jan jakatayau kabalalej ula play pat ba ek art ligi surak kibala sna thamai haga than relbong. Haga jinglot ke bakot riau point lai klor tengka. Daga jing temu ban pendunai ke jing dhengkali ha kenong ba Shillong. Uba San Borsulai ula play nekong ek surak ke belasina najan ka kerdap jong ke Arts and Culture Hall ke ba penlong ya ke yang darbar tawan ke sipor minta jong ke jela harilbong. Kawan penyesok begawai pak surak hajan ke Community Hall Rilbong ke berani ke jing drong ke balai sepak prapusan mitar ba ke jing lut ke bakot iwai poin kendai pra klur tengka. Bat hadian kini ulah play pat sek surak ke beran narilbong ke bermi syaduk ke surak PWD ke ban penyesok bagi jingking Sherpi ke beran cispa andropoi mitar ba ke jing lut ke ban cina kini surak kalong sau poin laisan klur tengka. Hakini ke jing play kini ke artli ke surak lai dan lang executive engineer ke PWD Roads uba S Letep assistant engineer uba H Pakenten ki he pulit ke distrik idong hilam snong bat ki pat nong song snong jong kini kathan. Habakran ke jing ilang uba San Borsulai ula penpau ya ke jing kemen balala ban penurlong ya kini ke artli ke surak baru ula ai publai ke trajaka ke belah nok senyang ya lagi jaka jongki klem dashim mega bailut kesan. Yang tayo executive engineer jang ke PWD bagakan huan jong bat ikidor bar shnong kipat ba kerel bom Canchester Oxford bat Greta Laban kibla ke jingnya trailang ban penurlong ya kini ki artli surak kibalong ki bakong san bah ban pensuk ya kelek kawan jong kipat ba kathan ka Drug Reduction Elimination and Action Mission nega dream ha kasimba arjong katayo kalasa mi kitiar hikai negi toolkits sha kilai teli ki rehabilitation center ban hikai ha ka bakery ka food processing plumbing bat wiring ya kisamla ki bami nagi rehab bakin la ban yo akam bat em ka jingem ka babet ka babiang ha ka em lang salang ka dream mission rengkat ka jing trailang bat ka ITI Shillong kila shem ka senjam ban pentebet itu ki badan ha ki rehabilitation center kenang bakin la ban yang biang hala ki jong ki kejat mission director ka dream uba Francis Karshiang ulapan pau ba ka jing ki udor drugs kalau ban lam ka jing shirkai ka bakrau mencuai ki nong di drugs kedon kam arajar san sepak tengkah ha ka sisngi Hendrai menta namar ka jing rem ka dor kidon kam hadu 10,000 tengkah ha ka sisngi namar ke jingnon kam pisa ke bajur kinong di drugs ki perngat ki wai pada drugs bagi tur ya ladish ki kam tu kam thiem kenang yo man penbiang pada ki jing di jongki ke jing temu bakong san kalong man penduna ya ke jing phai biang na ke jing kalab yang su drugs ne ke relapse lada ki bami na ki rehabilitation center kim don kam don jam kalong ke masuk bakin ngat biang drugs kumta ke sarkar lengba ke dream mission kala penlut kumba kendai lak tengka ban thiat ki tiar ai jing kai na ke benta ki kam kum ke bakery food processing plumbing but wiring badi kini la shaki rehabilitation center ke bakentup ya ke new hope na ke benta ki kentai bat senrang ke new life de addiction center na ke benta ki senrang bat ke asha bhavan kani ke senjam ke temu ban kentir ke jing shania hala dia jong ki brio ke bala mi no na ki rehab kenang bakin la ban yo akam yo jam bat em ke jing em ke babiang ha ke em lang salang
explore more traits when not introduce. Namar kaya pair mo, ki individuals ba pair ki rehab jong ki. Kaya pair nang ki interest jong way pat. Let's say ki way la badan interest in wiring, way la badan in plumbing. Tau, barang kay kinumlang tumjo. Kidan lang ka jong jing smoke tanak ki. Kanu ka trait ka ba kisong tanan. Dai kanu ka skill ka ba develop more. It should come from you. Lapit mentai gibi ke bersyarat fi don't come to you ke jing kwa jongki lesi na freng ni kitri to ni ai lesi ka kala batundan ka interest lagi kila bagindan interest lagi waipat kita skill bagi kwa bagindan so that should come up long na fide bafit ai long sha bentip long sha isa kenang manginyo kan submit more proposals kenang ba kanya prerap na mabentajan ki para long kijomi
ka jingma kamde ka tu thi kejingma kadai haba indami na gini ki bakwa sustain ya addiction juga ki wat perlok ki increase kecil ki nang increase nga wat sanmut itu sanmut bin wat sanmut itu bin wat sepuluh itu wat sanjumut ki nang nok ki kena kani ka effort because kani gini pun suatu drug usage kalau wan hari ini it is a global phenomenon kemudian itu soal any problem that there are many hidaw ki shin ki bahun nakadawi kita drugs kena te tamba long bintang kalawan we have to address te kani ko ka lak ni ba address ndai ba long ki brio ki long ba balik ka sarkar ka pulot nai la tentang ini kan this is a positive issue ya ka ba like start to te dia ne recruit show ki brio kadang lak ka ba pulot ni dia which will have a long term saving ban save ya ban yarap ya society itu juga. Te mungkin kemo mana yang mentang ila training ki ila ai kai kanum kot ang tu follow up kanum kot ang tu nang tu nakaliam jubiru in ai support ba la ki kwa ban sek ka karana the dream mission maka MSSDS ki collaborate lam ginya ai ki support yaki ni you but set up their own team imai bisa in between kita bagiru tilapan banjir merah bisa aja in set up ini tentang kami skill training juga pada dalam certification dan in your proper certification ini bagilah pendep hok yang ada you dan kami kita register labor department dulu bagi employment exchange dan tu kita placement the main idea is to keep them occupied. Bagi ini like never relapse. And like relapse, in them do not keep drug users upon. Kata kita.
Kalumpung syat kebahayatam jangka sengkasi kasyat sok mensim. Kabajulong Malagasnem, ha lumpong waking hajayau, kalau kau nak ada kejing ipu ipeng, ha galak sing ublay jeng katayo. Bat mentaka kenti keladon, hado syahajar praspa shpongot kishenrang bat kentai, kibele shimbenta, ha kani kasat tenrai. Kaseng khasi sen kemir, haga katlai terik biayong arajar usau telepon kunno, ya kasat sub mensim. Ya kini kasat lah sedang dah kena kejat menhaga katwai terik biayong, balapun kut pat haga katlai terik biayong arajar arpun rio. Haswa banwan syat halumpung waking keladan sywa kanggo kadam haga yang seng hamopar bagi nong syat berkidu halia kelayat kalumpung waking hajayau. Kani kadi kasat jengkerpat utrai kenrat dah kasuk mensim. Bandiang ti ya kejing ia jenis lai jungu. Pembalamut lah tau ban lek kababha ban roy kari ya kababiang kerukom kahok kasot kastat kenang kaspak kahajar kenam kuburam kabut ka akor kerpat utrai kenrat bahagian ya kejing syat jeng kemen. Kerukhu kerdok ban bha ban miat ban puk ban piang unong syat nong kemen unong put unong tem ukmi kai ukmi ya cenrang berkentai ubalong upara kur para ka sudah baro. Anda lempoi hal lempung waking keladan yang kanggo kadam kaduai kepiran haswa banca. Lasaki biginong syat halakir yam tenrai nela le syat dah kesuk kekemen. Agni gelumpung kabalalong ha ka katlai terik jong jayong. Keladan syakaji ipu ipiang ha gelumpung waking hajayau. Kani kesyat aingu kala kring ru iki hajar ngut kipat ba berwan saki yagijing internet. Apa pai sya kejing wan ishim benta la saki ba ka jing wan ishim benta menta ka snem kalong ka balak kiyo ha ka baladon syajar praspa shpongut kino syat bakentut ya khandai spa an rup sangut kishnrang bat praspa sapun rungut kikentai kasyat suk mensiam kadai gariti ka balaya lenti nado ka snem syajar khandai spa katwei leng ba ka jing sedang da kesengkasi kani kasyat ka bejulong ha kapor per em kadai kejing aingu kabalai sini lenter banduai bat aingu hok trai kenrat na kumtai kejing terku bulat hesai kaseng khasi ke yang rangba ban pendek pensa kani kedustur na do gipor jeng kesorkan pareng ki bahag tu kapor glatmu ban pendok pendam no ya kani kariti kedustur kun khasi kani kasyat gilaong bakam de kasyat semubha perthai ndai kani kasyat aingu kabran kejing mut kabakrau akan yam kerukom Nagaliang kasyat suk mensem komiti seng khasi kemir namokhar kil ai kublai ya bro kublai shim benta irang ba seng khasi berkentup urang ba DL nongbri rang ba PD nongrum rang ba rang per renja lepen pau gajing ketus kejat benriau ban snow sarong yala kaniam bat kedustur bat menla ban pendek pensa yala gajing long kerpang kum kejat benriau
kawat kadon kawai kaliang kalong hawa phai seki samla ki jogi kapateng jong ani ke pateng ke pemerintah bat kini ke pateng ke sawan ke idon ke jingkermen
beli ngom kadang gijing kermen kalau kunta hapon mencua ngidan kesyat habelat kesyat kemen bumi hakaski bang iskin kong ni sedon lai skin ter kaski no kejat gide don kai sipo arhongul de kumba kalau menta de kispa mud nilai don nilai sospa kemudian ru na sospa na ngidan kino sian no kejat kani kapan I ya gajing glory jeng kisamla lot jeng I kisamla ret kenthe bachan rang ban I ya la kajong ban burom ya la kajong kabade ka mati ka ba song hok song blei ka ba nilai o diang ti leng ba te kini ki kong ki long shwa ki man shwa ki jong ni nilai o ban ai sa ka thei bat sa ka ba ar ba ka wei ka long ba min shwa ha gi phai sa ka liang gi nong put nong tem idan ki bala re rang ba ki ba tem tin dai ka mo ka long ka ni ka juk menta idan ki khna ki ba ar ho asnem ki ba khat rasnem ki ba absan snem ki ba nang ban tem ksing ki ba nang ru mde ta ka ksing re ka tamuri re ka jingput ka ba e tam ni jing e la ba hikai ka no anu ru phinum la la da mde ta ka sab te ba ka ju ko por ka jing don yo ka school jo hikai jo ngi ko ka sang si ala wan ra si bun ki jing la ka ba ngi yo e ki sam la ki ba lut ki ba rang ret ki ba la ban tem ban ai ki jing tem ka ba ngi ju le ka ki sinjo ki ki skit ka ba ngi tem ya kani ka sur tem jo ka siap su musim te kini ka pau ya ka jing kiu pat ka jing ya chaprang jongi kung kaseng pat kung kajat benriu kabi hakawi dei bat lakan niam ko kalsio na jong snubha hindi haswa mangin say kitar kisiar kirupa ngida penlait de kamu kadem kini gidi belabu na tengkai bahan nadu kipor kibo kilong shwa ki man shwa ki juni kini spaba jong kajai bendriu ko long shwa man shwa jungi kilar hikai bendri ban sumar te kumta haswa ban hiyar syar lumpung ru ngida don da kamu kadem keduai kapirat ba ban biang ban bit nadong syadong nado unong yeshim menta haga put akatem kinong syat la kilong ki kentei kisenrang nang taru kunju kisenran ba kimikai kumba ni yeshim menta lang nak menta kata kesyat aingu i boleh try kenrat nong bu nong hau hakan ni kelumpung bekentang ru nyayeng lang ban aingu kumta hakan ni kebenai per en laisin haka laisin aksi sistem laisin aksi dum night
Yo, super aktif. Menteri mentah, asyat, ang ni ke perihunyo trip.
ladei di kispatali kin sedang nado benai leber hado benai jemang jeleu kidan di kispatali de ban ong mengin sedang syo mengi kin saap ki we de ndok mio porjo kalau poi sedo le si syo benai slap ba hado ban unsha kam long syo nama kata kata ngimchu pachu kata ban hap sedang syo kesan kemis sedang ki we in ring ong to kini ki khon jongi ki tanat jongi mat ya sedang ni ngin persyang ban pat hi kane syak jongi ha une benai ya yong kom bangi jule de akatakar kom penbet hi kam dadon kata ban ong sedang bangi sedang ki we in kani kede ka syak tu kon kasih ki tanat sengru kidai kiba bat akadiam jong de compare la da sedang bangi ne sedang ki kalong bet ladawan tang shpongodro abang syat ban ainu item you play kalabiang nakiwan khambon ro nang khambiang shushu na kijing chep kijing shim ken jongi kijing wan jong nong syat kathe ba chendrang kalong kong keno kenja ban ong kten nong ke statistik beng suthu lada kanang kill nen kalahir kum kidak kishen ki bopao namo snem kanang kill bat kum ba PUE hakiwe kisnem bat tau snem kat no kecik alumpung kala khamnya ngi nang don ke jing perkhat ru bangin ha pat penhe ke de lumpung minang wa ila kilenti na kata ka benta bangio ka parking buk yang tai ka limpung sya ru kanang kham he man kham keduk khambon kinong sya penne yala kejong kerti edustur penne yala kejong kenyam amalda hidup no ya kini kiriti kita setur ya kenyang berkong pelajong hai syu kata jinglong kerpang jongi kum dijat beliau akan ini pertai kini kubuar mengkuat ban pasat cek kon samlan ba penne ialah penne ialah kostum penne ialah kiriti mat so sarong ialah kejong mat kumtahi tin sapau kare thei pun kasih budaya ucap
Perlok dah ketua ngila poi syukur pukut juga tup kubor jengi mentah kejan miat ngin se syambiang bat pi da syam teo ha kejuk kasngi bat ha kejuk kupor kublai shibor ni kupor jong pi bat jasa